Hey guys, this is Jacques from Akulu Linux and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys actually something really cool we've been working on, and that's a driver manager with a GUI for Debian. So as you can see here, I'm actually in a virtual machine, so I don't have a Nvidia or AMD, but I'm going to run it in test mode. Yes, it has a test mode where I can actually simulate a GPU. So I'm going to simulate a 3080 RTX, and then I'm going to click OK, and then it's going to actually create a fake GPU. Okay, so as you can see there, it's actually now detected the simulated RTX 3080. This is a very nice GUI, so easy to run. Just open it. Now, currently I have it on the desktop here as files, but you would usually open up system settings, and you would find the driver manager at the bottom here, driver manager over there, or you would open your menu and go to administration and driver manager would be there. And you just click that link and it opens up this GUI. Right, so when you open it up, you click scan your GPU. It will then give you the options. If it detects Nvidia or AMD, these buttons will become available, and then you can select whatever driver is available, and then click install. That's it. AMD, same thing. If this was AMD, it would show driver available, except with AMD, it actually gives you tear-free options and some other options, and then click install. That's it. In my case, I simulated a 3080 GPU, RTX 3080. As you can see there, and here's a nice little console output, so I can actually see what it's done. So as I can see, it updated my packages, so it refreshed the package list, which is nice. And then it said they simulated GeForce RTX 3080 detection, and it tells me these drivers are now available. And so I'm going to select one. So there, Nvidia driver NA. Do I want to auto-install kernel headers? I could, yes, but I already have those installed, so I don't need those. But I could if I wanted to. And then I click install driver. Hit install, and that's it. Now I sit back. Now it will now do the rest. As you can see, there's a little progress, pulsating progress thing that runs at the bottom. This is it. This is how easy it is. I click scan, select Nvidia, select my driver, click install, and just sit back. It will do the rest. Now, it will do a sudo apt update again, just to make sure all the packages are refreshed, and then it will install the driver, and then will tell me if it's successful or not. So I'm just going to speed this up, because this could take a minute or two, I guess. Depends on your system and your internet speed. So let's speed this up. Okay, and as you can see, you probably heard my PC speed up as well. It says there, GPU driver installation is complete. Please reboot your system and log back in. Done. That is how easy it is. Now let's go take a look at the log file, because there's a log file here. We go to var log, and we go find that log file. Where's the GPU driver? There we go. Let's open up this log file. And here you can see that it says welcome to does a sudo apt update, checks for packages. It says here driver detection simulated 30 RTX 3080. There we go. And then it says available drivers, Nvidia driver, the bin driver, the full driver, and the libs. And then it gives a monitor information, virtual monitor connector, because I'm in the virtual box. And then it does another apt update here. And then it does here we go, test mode, Where does it start the installation? Checking available packages in repository, detection, Oh, sorry, here we go. Okay, so here it says upgradable. It says skipping automatic kernel installation, user disabled. Yes, I unticked it. And it says installing the firmware package. Great. And then it does the applet firmware install. And then it says and then it says installing the driver. There you can see it installing the drivers and installing suggested packages. And then it upgrades the Vulkan tools, upgrades core control, and it installs the Nvidia driver, and it installs all the dependencies. Look at that. There's a list of dependencies here that are also installed with that. Really great. And then also, obviously, it installs the suggested packages, which is Vulkan tools, and it actually removes my Lutris. And then I need to see why it did that. Most likely there was a conflicting package. No matter, I'll have a look at that. Summary, upgrading 2, installing 67, removing 1, not upgrading 1028, that's system updates. Download size, and then it does and then it finishes off at the bottom there, and it gives me a little, there blacklists Nvidia. In fact, there's a couple of places here where it says building initial modules, so that it builds the modules, and then it does here driver processing, and then it blacklists Nvidia. As you can see, it blacklists Nvidia, adding Nvidia blacklist entries, driver installation completed successfully, reboot your system, So wow, how awesome is that? I need to look at the Lutris thing, but I'm sure that's not something that's major. But yeah, I just did a full driver install, and all I did was just click a few buttons. Click there, select the driver, click install, and that's it. And then I just sit back, and that's it. And then I'll reboot the system, obviously. And that is how easy it is to install drivers in the latest Windows now. The new Windows Beta 2. I'm going to be making videos on the Beta 2. The Beta 2 that's going out comes with this new driver manager pre-installed. So you just, to install your drivers or even install new drivers, it's going to be so easy. You're literally just going to click the little driver. Where's the driver manager? It's going to do a little update there, and then it opens up. Boom. Scan your GPU, select your driver, install, and then exit. That's it. So easy. So that's a fully operational Debian driver manager with a GUI. And if any of the other guys out there, any of the other distros that run Debian, if they want a copy of this, no problem. I'm very, very willing to share this code. Yeah, it took me about a week to make this, and I'm sure it can still be improved, and I will keep improving on it, but it works with Nvidia and AMD. And it's a nice looking GUI, and it's so easy to use. So easy, just click scan, click install, and it's done. I mean, it can't be easier than that for people to install a, for a long time, Debian's not had any GUI any GUI GPU installers. It's mainly just Ubuntu. And I think a lot of people have been running to Ubuntu mainly because they struggle to install GPUs. And now we have a nice little GPU graphics tool, and this is a nice looking, it's a pretty little thing too. Anyway, so that's it. That's my video. We have now a fully operational GUI based driver installer for Debian that will be on the new Windows that's going live in a few days, the Beta 2, and I'll make some videos on that. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, thanks for the support. And by the way, the new Windows Beta 2 that's going live, I'm sending it out to the Patreon guys today. The Pro upgrade guys will get it today as well. So if you're a Pro user or you're a Patreon user, just go to Patreon, grab it there. If you're a Pro user, grab it from the Pro folder. It will go to the general public, I'm guessing in a couple of days, maybe next week, as soon as I'm just finished touching up a few things. But this driver manager is in that distro. So yeah, enjoy, have fun, and thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, in the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.